Hot water cylinders have been with us since 1868 and they are designed to maintain a thermocline. The maximum flow rate from a traditional hot water cylinder without a PowerShower is typically 8 litres a minute. A traditional hot water cylinder at low flows will preserve its hot water thermocline. The Essex flange, designed by George Essex Goldfinch, was invented in 1931, and with it came the PowerShower. A PowerShower forces more water through a traditional cylinder than it was designed for, destroying the thermocline. Tanks with PowerShowers cannot be converted to heat stores. The ShowerPowerBooster (SPB) pump was designed in 2012 by hydraulics expert and engineer Alan Wright, and with it came the alternative to the PowerShower. Cap off the Essex flange or remove a Surrey flange. Fit a ShowerPowerBooster SP21S. Enjoy a mains pressure hot water supply. Save up to 99% of the electricity you used to use to run the PowerShower. Reduce the water consumption of a shower by up to 50%. Convert the hot water cylinder to an energy store. In a bid to conserve water, there are government plans to potentially ban the sale of PowerShowers. ShowerPowerBooster customers who replaced PowerShowers preferred their new powerful shower using less water. ShowerPowerBooster customers routinely replace PowerShowers with ShowerPowerBoosters. The quality of the shower is better with a ShowerPowerBooster. They enjoy a good shower, save electricity, save water, and with the energy storage option, they can enjoy off-peak energy. The ShowerPowerBooster was designed as a water-saving device and it deactivates at flows above 8 litres a minute. A good shower is one that mixes 4 litres of hot with 2 litres of cold to give enough flow to efficiently and quickly wash away suds with the least volume of water. PowerShowers using 12 to 15 litres a minute waste power and water. ShowerPowerBooster was designed to be an energy-saving device, and with 30 watts of electricity, it creates a shower with the same impact as a 3 kilowatt PowerShower. We offer energy saving, energy storage and water saving. ShowerPowerBoosters score much better than PowerShowers in the UK on Trustpilot. ShowerPowerBooster scores 5 full stars. We offer showers at half the cost of a PowerShower, excellent showers using half the water, and the tank can be converted to an energy store at the same time.